A vision is the reflection of the destination. A vision is the roadmap to your destiny. That is why it is very important to have a vision. A vision is like a ladder. It connects people from the bottom to the top. A person with a vision is one that is always communicating with the future. A visioned person will use the pains of today for the future glory. A visioned person will never look back to their failures, but they are constantly heading on to the future ahead of them. A person with a vision will not be surprised with the result they obtain or be dismayed at the place they arrive in, because this is what they saw when the vision was still at an infant stage. In this life, you cannot make it alone. You cannot carry your vision alone. Write the vision, make it plain, that he who reads it may run with it. Then the vision supporters will come your way. Vision helpers will locate you, because the vision is clear. Before I started preparing this documentary, I sat down. I thought of something that can inspire people and move them from their comfort zone. I started visualizing this documentary, and I saw the impact in my vision. The vision will always represent the future in the present, and the vision will testify the past in the future. There are certain visions that are only clear to specific people. These are the people who value nothing but their vision. They are not ashamed of coming out of the crowd and pursue their vision. Some are never to run after their God-given vision. They are afraid of what people will say if they pursue the vision. My dear, life without the vision is like running a race without a finishing line. Don't be afraid to follow the vision. There is no limit to someone who's having a vision. Now, people with a vision always develop the confidence. People with a vision always develop hope. And people with a vision, they always move with godly freedom. Now, what does it mean having the vision? When you have the vision, you will be living in the life of no limitations. Someone who is having a vision will be able to reach the place that the naked eyes can never obtain. People who are likely to see beyond their limits are those people who fully depend on the vision. And people who are likely to see beyond their limits are the talented ones. Develop that talent, and that talent will see you through. The second set of people who are likely to see beyond are the gifted ones, the skilled ones, and the leaders. And above all, those that are uncomfortable with where they are. Discover your talents. Identify your gifts. Know your skill. Develop your leadership skills. And don't be comfortable with where you are. With this, you will be able to reach where the naked eyes have not reached. God bless you.